Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the HP All-in-One desktop computer, specifically the model featuring the 27-inch Full HD touchscreen. This machine presents a really clean and integrated look for any workspace, eliminating the clutter of a traditional tower. Under the hood, this HP All-in-One is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7-155U processor. This is a modern chip with 12 cores and 14 threads, capable of boosting up to 4.8 GHz. What this means for the user is snappy performance for everyday tasks. Loading complex websites is quick, video playback is crisp and smooth, and multitasking feels effortless. You can easily have multiple applications and browser tabs open simultaneously without experiencing slowdowns. It's a processor well-suited for productivity and general computing needs. Complementing that powerful processor is a generous 32 GB of DDR5 RAM. Having this much high-bandwidth memory is fantastic for keeping everything running smoothly. Whether you're working on large documents, editing photos, or just jumping between many different programs, the system remains responsive. The fact that it uses DDR5 is a plus for future-proofing, and the option to upgrade this further, potentially up to 64 GB, is there for those who might need even more headroom down the line. For storage, it comes equipped with a 1TB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD. SSDs, especially NVMe ones, are significantly faster than older hard drives. This translates directly into very fast boot times for Windows 11 Pro, quick loading of applications, and rapid file transfers. A 1TB capacity is ample for most users' documents, photos, and software. Like the RAM, the storage is also upgradable, supporting up to a massive 4TB SSD if your storage needs grow significantly. The display is a major feature here. A large 27-inch screen with full HD resolution. The size is great for productivity, giving you plenty of screen real estate to work with. The fact that it's a touch screen adds another layer of interaction, which can be convenient for certain applications or just navigating windows. Graphics are handled by the integrated Intel graphics. While this isn't a machine designed for heavy gaming or professional-grade video editing with complex effects, it's perfectly capable for all standard desktop tasks, streaming high-definition video, and light photo work. It runs on Windows 11 Pro, which offers advanced features like enhanced security and networking capabilities, making it suitable for both home and potentially small office environments. Connectivity is solid with Wi-Fi 6, ensuring fast and reliable wireless internet access. The package also includes a wireless keyboard and mouse, which helps maintain that clean, cable-free look, and even an anti-slip mouse pad is mentioned, a small but thoughtful addition. Plus, the inclusion of a lifetime license for Microsoft Office is a significant value add right out of the box. Overall, this HP All-in-One looks like a very capable and convenient machine for anyone needing a powerful, clutter-free desktop for productivity and everyday use.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.